In this video, I'm going to show you how to find Champion Blue in Cobbleverse. So the first thing you need to do is you need to make your way to the end dimension. And once you're here in the end dimension, you will need to craft this item called the end cartography table. This is the crafting recipe for the end cartography table, and this is going to allow you to find structures in the end dimension, including the Elite Four Tower, where Champion Blue is going to appear in. So here is the crafting recipe. And on top of that, you're going to need this item called a rival sling. Now, to make a rival sling, you're going to need 4 pieces of wool, an eject pack, and also 4 ender pearls. And in order for this to work, you actually need to craft it. So if you just take it from the creative inventory and then put it in your hotbar, or you do /give, it's not going to work. You actually need to go ahead and craft it. All right, so you'll need 4 ender pearls. Put it on the corners, put your wool here, and in the middle, put an eject pack. And then from there, you're able to get a rival sling. Then you will need to get a empty map. Here it is. And you want to use your end cartography table, which once again is going to help you find structures in the end. You want to place your rival sling here and your empty map there. And that is going to generate you a map that will point you directly to the nearest Elite Four Tower. And in the Elite Four Tower is where you're able to find Champion Blue. All right, so here it is. Cancel League map. There you go. And then it's going to point you to the nearest direction. So I'm already pretty close to it, but of course you will need to go ahead and travel. Sometimes it's really far away from the end dimension. So you are going to need to be pretty much later on in the game in order for this to actually work. From here, please progress through the Elite Four like you normally would. You will need to fight everybody. And then all the way at the top is where you're able to fight Champion Blue. So this is where he's going to be at, all the way up here. And let's just go ahead and break the windows so you're able to see. And then there you go. There is Champion Blue in all of his glory. From there, you're able to go ahead and fight him and beat the Kanto region. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.